All right, well, here we go. It is June 2nd. And last time I was in the honey super here, they were bringing it in, but it was kind of all over the place. I'm expecting, fingers crossed, capped honey. Hopefully they're doing some capping, so let's see. Let's crack into it and see what they're up to. Oh yeah. All right, right down there. You guys relax with that one. Get this. All right, so these, let's check the outer frames here. Seeing nice white pearly comb in the center frames, so expect some good things. All right, so there's a little bit of nectar in that one. Nothing on the outside. Come on, little lady. Here we go. Oh yeah, we're capping honey. So right in here, they're starting to cap the honey. Still got a little room up front here, so, and they got a lot of room right there. So I'm not really gonna debate right now whether to add a third honey super or not. I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do. Look at that. Look at that, beautiful. Nice capped honey. So they're doing awesome. My usual harvest is somewhere in the middle of June, so I'd say we're 2 weeks away from, look at this frame. Can you see this one? Look at that. Definitely 2 weeks away from a harvest. Looks good, girls. So I do believe last week it was just all over the place. Wasn't full frames. This is full frames. And this is getting capped right there. So we're capping. We're already capping. Beginning of June. Let me, come on, move over, ladies. Come on. All right, so that's all nectar. A little bit of cappings in the corners here, but that's just pretty much all nectar. Go a couple more here on the top. Let's see what they're up to. That's all nectar. Well, a little opening up front here. So the front of the hive's open. It seems they're leaving the front of these frames open. Let's go one more. All right. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Okay. Hold on, girls. Hold on. Hold on. I'm just gonna hold on. So anyways, that's it. This is like the best time of year. The flow is cranking. Everybody's cranking right now. And I'm gonna take a peek in this bottom super and debate whether we're gonna put another box on or not. Oh yeah, it's nice and heavy. For sure. Hold on, let me get the lid, ladies. Okay, let me just adjust. This thing is hard to mess with right now. Here we go. All right. So, second super, bottom super. We got nice bridge comb, pearly white bridge comb. One of the signs of a honey flow. Come on, girls, come on. Get off there. Come on. Clean that up a little bit. All right, so let's take a peek. Not quite sure if they filled the top first and then they're gonna work their way down. Usually right up the middle and then out. So this is empty. And that's 2/3 full. That's the outer frame. Come on, girls, come on. Come on. Oh yeah, look at the capped honey right there. That is beautiful. I want to say it was 3 weeks ago. I was worried about feeding these girls. That's how fast the flow jumped. Come on. You guys are capping in the bottom. Oh, it's stuck. This looks good, girls. This looks good. All right, so they're still doming a little bit. There's my queen cups. Still doming. So this is what you can see it better now. I think you can. So this is where they put the honey, right? And then they're thinking the queen's going to come up and lay in here. So they leave it open, just like they do in the brood box. In the deeps. So that's what they're doing here. So chances are I'll be harvesting the top frames first, because they're not doming those. What you can do is hopefully the downward pressure will cause them to start filling those dome sections. Like this frame right here is really light. So you just got a little bit in the corners. So it's really not getting the nectar. It's going straight up through. Right to the top box, huh ladies? So what I'll do is, yep, that's nice. Yeah, this is all domed in the middle. So these 1, 2, 3. So you're talking the outer 2 maybe would have nectar full. They're capping it. Look at it. It looks beautiful. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to under super, which they'll leave the dome in that. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. All right, so we're talking 4 frame out. This is pretty much full. So they stopped doming. So they pretty much domed 4 frames in the middle. And that's it. So I'd say 2 weeks. 2 weeks we'll have a harvest video. 2 weeks. Oh yeah. So this is full. So they're just doming the centers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to under super, and the under super is going to be undrawn comb. Oh, so we can see how that goes. But I'm out of comb. I have too many production hives this year. Look at that, beautiful, huh? I love it. Coolest time of year. You got honey. You're making splits. You're raising new queens. I love it. Let me just do this. I'm going to put this back together. But anyways, that's it for now. I'm going to do 2 separate videos. Thank you for watching.